Hello, my name is Catherine Waugh and I'm the Digital Content Coordinator for the British Association for Local History. This is just a quick video on how to make your own 10-minute talk. A 10-minute talk is a great way to share your research with a wider audience by condensing it into a short video of up to around 10 minutes. Now, there's no rules on how to make your video. You can make it however you want. But for those who might not feel digitally confident, one of the easiest ways is through the PowerPoint inbuilt recording feature, which is what I'm going to be exploring. Now, you will notice that I'm speaking to you through a webcam and microphone. Most laptops have these built in, but if you're using a desktop PC, you might need an external webcam or microphone. You'll notice that my headset has a microphone attached. So we're ready, we've got our presentation, and we're ready to record. Let's go through the steps. So our first step is to click on the record button in the main taskbar. Now, you don't have to show yourself on the webcam if you don't want to. Some people just like to record the narration, but if you do want the audience to see you talking, then if you press a Cameo button on the far left, you will see it come up on the bottom, and if your webcam's turned on, you'll see your face over the slides. Now we're ready to record. So we go back to the record button and we press record from beginning. This will bring us to the recording screen. Now there is a teleprompter, but we're just ready to go, so we'll press the big red recording button. There's a brief countdown, and then we're ready to start. Now, you should talk just as you would if you were giving any in-person presentation. So speak fairly loudly and clearly so that we can really hear what you're saying. You can move the slides along with the arrow keys or the buttons, and be sure to record somewhere where there isn't going to be a lot of background noise, such as a loud fan or builders or traffic going by. Now, once you've finished, you just press the record button again, and that will stop the recording. Now, we have it recorded, but we need it to be a video file. So we have to press the export button, and this will bring us to the export screen. We simply press export video, and our recording will be turned into a video file, which we can then watch. Once you've watched through your recording and are happy with it, it's time to transfer it to the digital team. There's a couple of ways of doing this, such as uploading to Google Drive or OneDrive and sharing as a link, but a preferred way is to use an online transfer website such as Swiss Transfer, which is a free website which allows you to transfer files to users. Once we've received the video and checked that it's okay, it will be uploaded to the BALH YouTube channel and shared on the website and social media, where it will reach a wider audience. Now, I hope these instructions have been useful, and I look forward to seeing what 10-minute talks you produce.